Hello my dear students and welcome back to my channel Math World. So in the last class we had learned how to solve the linear pair of equations graphically. So the next important point from the same exercise, let me continue, that is exercise 3.2 from your exercise second question. So that is on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. All the three conditions are given. So I hope you remember the conditions. That is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. What it is? Yes, it is intersecting. Good. And the next is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. It is coincident. And in both the cases, what we call, the system is consistent. That means it has solution. Don't forget, simultaneously remember that concept also. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. They are parallel and inconsistent. Okay, so the first question here, sub question from the first sub question is 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, and the next one is 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. These are the two equations given. So let us write what is our A1. A1 is 5, B1 is negative 4 and C1 is 8. And A2 is 7, B2 is 6, C2 is negative 9. So let us check what is A1 by A2. It is 5 by 7 and B1 by B2 is negative 4 by 6, which can be further simplified to 2 by 3. Negative 2 by 3. So what do you conclude from here? It is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Hence the lines are intersecting and the system is consistent with one solution. Kindly specify that it is consistent with one solution. Okay, I hope it's clear. It's pretty easy and very important as well. So the next question from the same exercise, let me clear it. Okay, so the next question here is like on comparing A1 by B2, the same thing, the ratios we need to compare and we need to tell it is consistent or not. So the same thing we will continue. I have already explained it, so nothing to worry. And the fourth question here, they say that if it is consistent, you need to find the solution graphically. So in the previous video, we have already learned how to solve it graphically. So first check if it is consistent, that is whether it is having solution or not. If it is having a solution, whether one solution or many solutions, you need to do it graphically. Okay. In both the cases, you need to solve it, dear students. Where consistent means it will be consistent with one solution or it will be consistent with many solutions. In both the cases, you need to solve graphically. Okay. Okay. So the next here is the next exercise, the next question. Okay. So we'll do the same exercise, fifth question. So the question here is, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36. So now find the dimensions of the garden graphically. So you need to solve, first make the equation. So let us see what is given, the length of the garden. So let us tell, let the length be, I am doing exercise 3.2, fifth question. Okay. Length is x and let the breadth be y. So according to the question, what is given? Half the perimeter of the rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more. So length is 4 more than breadth. So x is equal to y plus 4. So let us write it properly or leave it as such. No issue. Okay. Then the next is half the perimeter of the rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36. So perimeter is 36, half the perimeter. So perimeter is what? Let me just do rectangle here. Okay. So what is here? A rectangle. This is x length and breadth is y. So perimeter is what? Twice length plus breadth, right? 2 into L plus B is the perimeter. So 2 into L plus B. So here it is given half. So let me just write it. 2 times x plus y equal to. But here it is given half the perimeter. That means divided by 2. So what will happen? This 2 will get cancelled. So what we will be having? X plus y is equal to 36. So what is my second equation? X plus y equal to 36. This is equation 2. Okay. So now we got both the equations. Okay. So now we need to solve the equations graphically like as we have done in the previous case also. So once we have the two equations, what we do? We will find the independent variable and dependent variable. So let me just clean it and quickly solve it for you, my dear students. Okay. So continuing. I think you are both with the same color. Let me just change it. Okay. Do you like orange? No. Okay. We'll go for blue. Okay, so now what are the equations? First equation was x is equal to y plus 4. So now here y is my independent variable and x is the dependent variable. So let me take y as 0. So this will be 4. Let me take it as 10. This will be 14. Let me take it as 20. And this will be 24. You can take anything, not a problem. So the next one, the next equation was what? X plus y equal to 36. So let me write it. X is in terms of x or y, anything which is convenient to you. 36 minus y. So I have made y as independent variable and x as dependent variable because from the day one we are using the same, right? So y is 0, so x is 36. I'll use the same numbers for y such that graphically it will be easy for me. So 36 minus 10 will be 26 and 36 minus 20 is 16. So now how I'll be doing? I'll be doing a small graph here. So okay, and the other one only positive, right? So no point in doing the negative. Okay, so let me just go for a better one now. So here what do I have? The scale will be y scale is 0, 10, 20. Okay, same thing I'll take for x also. 0 origin, 10, 20, 30. 30. Okay. Same thing I'll take here also. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay. So what is the first equation? According to my first equation, x is 4 and y is 0. So 4 somewhere here approximately. And next is 10, 14. So 14 is somewhere here and 10. And last is 20 and 24. So 24 means here, 20 is here. Let me just join them with a scale. Always use scale and pencil for graph. Do not use pen. Okay. Okay. Now we'll do for the next one. For the next equation, what do I have? So I have taken x, y same. So okay, x is 36. So 36 approximately here and y is 0. fine. Then 26 and it is 10 here, and it is 16 and 20. Okay, see, I got the line for the second equation also. So let me just connect them. Okay, see, I have got the lines. So now just see, this is the point of intersection. Okay, this is the point of intersection. Call it as P. This is for your understanding. Okay, P. And what is it? Read it. What is the value on x-axis and what is the value on y-axis? Approximately, see, 20. And I have here approximately 16. So, x is what? Length, right? Length. That is, x is length. And how much is the length? 20. And y, we took it as breadth. And how much is the breadth here? 16. So, let us cross check what was told in the equation. First was x is y 4 plus y, that is plus 4. So, 16 plus 4 is what? 20. Yeah, see, that is satisfied. And the next is, next equation, when you add both, it should be 36. Yes, it is satisfied. So, I even showed you how to verify the values whatever we get. So, here the length value and breadth value we get in this way. So, we have solved even graphically. So, now I think graphical method is okay to all my students. In the next class, I will directly go to the next one, and that is algebraic method. Okay. So, see you till then. Until then, take good care of yourselves and keep texting me and keep commenting. Take care. Bye-bye.